Hello everyone, my name is Jitendra Kumar. Today I will teach you modulus. Very important chapter, modulus. Very important for JEE Mains, Advanced and various engineering entrance examinations. Modulus. What is the definition of modulus? So first of all, we can say that modulus is a machine which gives always positive output, but input may be positive, या may be negative. So what is the modulus? Modulus is a machine which gives always positive output, but input may be positive or may be negative. Suppose we take a machine. This machine will be modulus machine, and in this machine input may be positive या negative, but output will be always positive. So if we take the example and basic definition of modulus, suppose we take positive square root of x square. There are two types of square root. One is positive square root and another is negative square root. And the positive square root gives always positive value and negative square roots gives always negative value. So we can write root over x square is equal to modulus of x, and this will be x for x greater than equal to 0, because if we take modulus of 2 we get 2, modulus of 5 will be 5. So suppose we put here positive value, we get positive value also. But suppose x is less than 0, then minus x will be positive. So modulus of x is equal to minus of x. It will be clear from the example. Suppose we take modulus of minus 2. Modulus of minus 2 is equal to plus 2. So if you remove the modulus, we take negative sign before the x, and from this we will get plus 2. Now we will see graph of modulus function. We can see graph of modulus function. So from the basic definition of modulus function, y is equal to root over x square is equal to modulus of x, and this is x, this will be x for x greater than equal to 0, and minus x for x less than 0. Now we can see the graph of modulus function. Y equal to x, and this will be y equal to minus x. According to this definition, we need y equal to x for x greater than equal to 0. So here x is less than 0. So we need to remove this part, and y is equal to minus x for x less than 0. So we need to remove this part. So this complete graph, V-shaped graph will be graph of modulus function. And from this graph we can say that modulus of x is always greater than equal to 0. Modulus of x is always greater than is equal to 0 for all x belongs to real number. So this will be non-negative term. We can say that this will be non-negative term.